you used to...
Wala po.
Ito lang talaga. Wow, so kumbaga parang bago, first time mo ganun bago sa mga. Saan ka sumali before?
Before, OPM Bangos.
OPM.
Dito din sa Dubai.
Dito din sa Dubai.
Okay. Taga saan ang mga ekscelensya?
Bacolod.
Bacolod. Meron ba mga taga-Bacolod dito? Kayo lang mga taga-Bacolod.
Thank you for bringing your friends here.
Yes, thank you so much.
Salamat po for being here.
Kailangan nga yan, partner. Kasi ang audience impact natin is 25%.
Yeah.
Ano pong karantahin ni Mr. Chris?
Having May by Air Supply.
Oh!
Okay. Napakataas na awitin.
Oo, at saka ang ganda-ganda ng song niya.
Tama. And I want to hear an excellent performance coming from you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
But
Okay. Let's proceed. Ladies and gentlemen, Chris Excelencia!
Wanting what you would say.
Excellensya.
Wow.
Familiar yung kanta sa akin. Sige nga, kanta yung mga chorus.
Yan na naman.
Having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never
Mali.
go
Mali.
away.
Paano?
Having you near me, holding you near me, bigyan sana ako ka. Yan yun. What? Huwag kang tatawa, partner. O yung sa'yo, paano yung sa'yo?
Nalihiya ako.
Wala akong maisip. Nag-iisip ako doon na wala akong maipasok.
Please don't ask me.
Huwag na.
Hindi ako magaling sa mga ganyan.
Ayoko na ulitin yung ginawa.
Oo.
Tumatawa si Dalia. Ano nakakatawa, Dalia? Ano nakakatawa? Okay, let's proceed. Tanungin natin yung comments.
Si Sir Jonathan.
Yes.
Good evening, Chris. Daw mong magawin maayon na singer ng mga Ilonggo.
Salamat.
Actually, I thought that it was like Ruben, ang tawag ng Tanala, because he familiarized the song ng Erskine. And anyway, about your performance tonight, it was really very entertaining. I was just listening and I was just smiling, listening to your voice. Parang wala kang effort before. And then, sakto-sakto sa process mo. And I think may malalagyan ka talaga sa singing competition. The fact is that tonight, maraming magagabing na singers na nag-join ngayong gabi. And I think isa ka sa challenge for tonight's competition. And whatever happens tonight, it might not be your beginning kasi marami pa tayong competition, contestants. I hope that you will enjoy, just in case, okay? Because you got the potential, you've got the voice, and paswerte-swerte tayo, but I wish you all the best and good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Chris.
Chris, thank you.
Okay. Hindi natin magpapagaling pa.
Next contestant.